For all this activity of sexual violence, we make around 1,200 operations per year. Fistula operation only, the average is 600 per year. The big problem with our beds we have only 40 beds. Each bed should be taken by one person for 1 month. It was not possible to make more than 600 operations per year. But now we hope that we can do more because we have now 100 more beds. We have to keep hope. Without keeping hope, I think that we'll just fall, and we're still asking the international community to help us to stop this fighting, to stop the rape. There is no reason that to continue to do things like this in this country. We have to give this woman a chance, really, to show that they can do something. I think that in this country, women are a great resource. And I think that without women, my impression is that nothing will be done by men. And when I'm talking with this woman and see how they're powerful, even they're going through these bad things, but they're able to fight and not just to depress. I can say that they are power, and we have to help them to realize that they have power and have to use it. And I'm sure that when women will understand, and men will understand also, that women are very powerful to help the building of the country, to help country to go up, this country will be safe.